Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best FPV, first-person view drones available on AliExpress in 2026. These drones are ideal for aerial photography, videography, and immersive FPV flight experiences. We'll look at their key features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is right for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. New K19 MAX GPS Drone. Professional 8K camera, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance technology, large screen remote control, folding design. The new K19 MAX is a feature-packed FPV drone that targets both beginners and prosumers. The 8K camera delivers crisp aerial footage, while GPS support keeps your drone stable and returns it home reliably. Obstacle avoidance adds safety during flight, making it easier to fly confidently, even in complex environments. The large screen remote control allows real-time FPV monitoring without needing a smartphone, which is particularly convenient. This is a balanced choice for anyone looking for a camera-focused drone with advanced flight assistance. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera, built-in GPS and obstacle avoidance, large integrated remote display, folding design for portability. Number 2. S155 Pro Max Drone. 5G GPS connectivity, 8K HD aerial photography, 3-axis gimbal, 500-gram payload capacity, no or 360 obstacle avoidance option. The S155 Pro Max stands out with its 3-axis gimbal, delivering smooth and stable footage even during fast maneuvers. With 5G GPS and high-definition 8K imaging, this drone is aimed at content creators who want professional quality shots. While some variants do not include obstacle avoidance, the model's performance and camera stabilization make up for it. This drone also handles heavier payloads, opening opportunities for additional accessories or camera upgrades. Pros: professional 3-axis gimbal system, 5G GPS for stable flights, capable of carrying heavier payloads, excellent video quality. Number 3. 2025 new K19 MAX Professional Drone. 8K HD camera, obstacle avoidance, wide-angle lens, foldable design, Wi-Fi FPV, and height hold. The K19 MAX Professional Drone combines a high-resolution 8K camera with responsive flight controls. Obstacle avoidance enhances safety, especially for new pilots, and the wide-angle lens captures more of the landscape in each shot. This drone offers a solid balance between performance, ease of use, and portability. Pros: high-quality 8K footage, obstacle avoidance for safer flights, wide-angle lens captures more scene detail, foldable and transport-friendly. Number 4. V168 MAX GPS Drone. Professional 8K camera, GPS-enabled flight, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, large screen remote control, foldable. The V168 MAX is designed for reliable and smooth flights with its brushless motors and GPS flight system. Obstacle avoidance helps to prevent accidental collisions, and the integration of a large remote screen improves the overall FPV experience. This drone is suitable for both photographers and enthusiasts who want advanced control without complexity. The brushless motors provide durability and better performance under wind conditions. Pros: stable GPS flight and obstacle sensing, brushless motors with improved reliability, integrated large screen remote system, excellent 8K imaging. Number 5. GT50 Drone. 8K FPV camera, 4.3-inch screen controller, 183-gram lightweight design, no registration required in many regions, brushless motor, EIS anti-shake stabilization. The GT50 drone provides a lightweight and easy-to-fly experience with a built-in 4.3-inch FPV screen. With brushless motors and electronic image stabilization, EIS, this drone delivers smooth footage and responsive performance. The sub-250-gram weight means it may not require registration in many countries, making it a convenient choice for hobby pilots. While not as advanced as some higher-end models, its simplicity and solid performance are strong selling points. Pros: lightweight, around 183 grams, built-in FPV display, EIS anti-shake camera stabilization, brushless motors. That concludes our top 5 best FPV drones on AliExpress for 2026. If you want professional aerial footage with obstacle safety and advanced controls, the new K19 MAX GPS Drone or the V168 MAX GPS Drone are excellent choices. For stabilized 3-axis footage, the S155 Pro Max is a strong contender. If you want a balanced all-around drone, the K19 MAX offers solid performance. For a lightweight and easy-to-fly option, the GT50 drone is worth considering. Each of these drones has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you: camera quality, flight stability, portability, or ease of use.